Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix lag issues on the OPPO A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And from here, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. For example, if you're not using the mobile data, just disable mobile data. And if you're not using the location services, just disable the location services. And the same goes with all the other connections on your smartphone. Just like that. Now for the second step, just open settings and tap on about device. From here, tap on storage, and from here, just check if you have enough storage on your smartphone or not. If you have used more than 80% of the total storage, then just delete any data on your smartphone and free up some storage. For example, if you are not using a specific app, just delete that app to free up some storage. And make sure you use only 80% of the total storage. If you use more than 80% of the total storage, your smartphone will start lagging. Now, after you do that, the next step is to tap on apps. And from this app list, just select the app which is using the most storage. For an example, I will open this app. Now from here, just tap on clear cache. Now just do the same with all the other apps on your smartphone. As you can see, as I tap on clear cache, it will delete the cache data of the app which you have selected. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and open the Phone Manager app. From here, tap on Clean Up Storage. And as you can see, it will scan your smartphone and it will look for junk files that it can delete. Now currently we have a total of 1 GB of data that we can delete. And if you tap on View Details, you can see the details of the data which we are deleting. Now just select Clean. After that, just go back. And from here, just tap on System Boost. Then select Boost Now. Now just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button to open the power menu on the screen. But if your power button is mapped to open the Google Assistant instead of the power menu, then press the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. Just like that. And from here, just swipe up and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just open Settings, then tap on System and Update. From here, tap on Software Update, and from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. And this is how you can fix the lag issue on the OPPO A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.